Hi folks, I'm Gary and welcome to White Eagle Videos. I'm outside of Austin, Texas at Bastrop State Park this morning checking out the facilities. Looks like they have a nice picnic area, swimming pool, nice clean restroom facilities, and a nice playground for children. They do have some construction going on, but it's all over to the side and not a hazard. I'm headed back to my campsite area now, checking out the rest of the park. I'm headed to the pull-through sites for full hookups. They do have a separate section for back ends with partial hookups and also a tent camping area. It appears this section might be a newer area that's been added to the park. It's very clean, very nice pull-through areas. They have campground hosts there on the left. They have 25 pull-through sites. It appears about 28 back-end sites with partial hookups in a lower section of the park. They also have quite a few tent camping site areas and a Pioneer Village cabin area, Lost Pines Lodge in another section of the park. They have a lot of nature trails and an overlook shelter overlooking the valley near where the back end sites are located. It appears a lot of the trees below this ridge line have been damaged by fire in the not too distant past. Along this ridge line and on several of the nature trails, they have several scenic overlooks overlooking the valley and the Copperas Creek camping area. I'm getting close to my campsite now, and when I get out of the vehicle, I unfortunately have some wind noise coming through my GoPro camera. Please excuse the wind noise. I hope I get a windsock soon. This is my site in Bastrop State Park. Site number 16. Looks pretty good. We've got electric, water, fire pit, and a grill. Right, nice area. Rig's aptly named Phantom, since I'll be doing paranormal investigations as I travel, some of the paranormal hotspots, looking for Bigfoot, ghosts, and UFOs. Pretty nice area here in the state park in Texas. You have several pull-through sites in this area. In another area of the park, they have some back ends. was $25 for full hookups for one night, plus a $5 entrance fee. Looks like a fire devastated the area pretty well. It's the next day, and I'm getting ready to pass through the southern part of Austin en route to Fort Stockton, Texas. That'll be my next overnight stay, but it's a long haul. It's about 370 some miles. On the journey to Fort Stockton, I took the back roads, the secondary roads, as much as possible, traveling through some really unique small towns, but trying to get to Fort Stockton before it got late. Unfortunately, didn't have time to stop and take much video as I was traveling through these little unique towns. However, I did make time to stop in Fredericksburg, Texas at Fort Martin Scott. I was able to do a little ghost hunting there because they have refurbished several of the old buildings, and the grounds themselves have a lot of history. It was an amazing place to stop and take some video, and hopefully I can show you that video in the next posting. Follow along, and I hope you enjoy the journey. If you liked the video, click like, share it with your family and friends, and when you subscribe, click the little bell icon to the right, and you will be notified when a future video is posted. Hope you have a great day, and thanks for coming along and enjoying the journey